5 money hacks I learned from the rich. Getting ahead with money isn't about skipping lattes. The truly wealthy don't get rich by being cheap, they get rich by being strategic. They build systems that grow their wealth on autopilot. Forget budgeting. In the next few minutes, I'm sharing 5 money hacks the rich use to build their fortunes. These are the systems you use to get rich. If you're tired of feeling like you're always a step behind, this is for you. We're about to look at the real financial playbook of the wealthy. Hack number 1: they don't budget, they engineer cash flow. Wealthy people don't budget, they engineer cash flow. They pay themselves first. The moment income arrives, automatic transfers funnel a set percentage into investment accounts, like index funds or real estate. This is non-negotiable. What's left over in their checking account is what they live on. They don't use willpower, they use a system that prioritizes their future wealth over any short-term impulse. Hack number 2: they automate offense, not just defense. Most people automate defense, paying bills. The wealthy automate offense. This means systematically and automatically buying assets that make them more money. Every month, like clockwork, their systems buy index funds or dividend stocks. This weapon eases consistency and takes emotion out of investing. While they're working or sleeping, their system is busy buying them their freedom. Hack number 3: they weaponize their spending. The rich weaponize their spending to buy back their most valuable asset, time. They'll spend freely on anything that makes them more efficient, like a meal delivery service, because it frees up hours to focus on high-value tasks. They also run every expense through a premium rewards card, paying the balance in full automatically. They never pay interest, and the card becomes a tool that generates cashback or free travel. Hack number 4: they manufacture forced scarcity. The wealthy create forced scarcity to manage their own behavior. They structure their bank accounts to create friction. One account is for fixed bills. A second, separate account gets a fixed weekly allowance for fun money. When it's empty, it's empty. Their investment accounts are the most important, and are deliberately hard to access, no debit card. This friction is surprisingly effective at killing any impulse to splurge. Hack number 5: they schedule financial board meetings. Finally, they treat their finances like a business by scheduling regular financial board meetings. Monthly or quarterly, they hold a non-negotiable appointment with themselves to review their entire financial picture. They check if their systems are working, look for spending trends, and strategize if their goals have changed. This makes them the CEO of their finances, not just a passenger. Conclusion. So let's recap. 1. Engineer your cash flow. 2. Automate your offense. 3. Weaponize your spending to buy back time. 4. Create forced scarcity. And 5. Schedule financial board meetings. The common thread is designing smart, automated systems that put your money to work 24/7. These hacks are the blueprint to building a life with more security and more freedom. So, what's the one system you're going to build this week? Let me know down in the comments. And if you're serious about taking control, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. We're just getting started.